Have you ever noticed that after a work week, even on the weekends, you still can't relax? Your mind is busy, your body is tense, and rest just won't come. It's not laziness or weakness, it's chronic stress. And today, we'll explore 5 ways that really work. It's not take a deep breath, but something rarely talked about. Let's get started. The first method sounds strange. To relax, you first have to tense even more. This is called progressive muscle relaxation. You tense muscle groups one by one, arms, shoulders, stomach, legs, and then suddenly release them. After this, the body literally doesn't know how to stay tense. The nervous system receives a safety signal. Stanford scientists have proven that just 10 minutes of this practice reduces levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, by 20%. And it doesn't require a yoga mat or a trainer. You can do it lying in bed before bed. The second method is expressive writing. Take a piece of paper and write down everything that's bothering you, literally everything, without editing, without logic. Just get it out of your head and onto paper. It sounds like something out of a teenager's diary, but neuroscientists from the University of Texas have found that this method reduces activity in the amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for fear and anxiety. The brain perceives the problem written down as processed. It stops racing through thoughts. 15 to 20 minutes, and your head feels noticeably clearer. The third method is cold water. No, not an ice-cold shower. Simply immerse your face in a bowl of cold water for 30 seconds, or simply wash your face with cold water. This activates the so-called diving reflex, an ancient physiological mechanism. Your heart rate slows. The nervous system switches to rest and digest mode. This method is even used in clinical psychology for acute anxiety. No meditation, no apps, just water. The fourth method is intentional laughter. Research shows that the brain isn't very good at distinguishing between real and fake laughter. If you simply start laughing, even if it's forced, your body starts producing genuine endorphins within 60 seconds. Try doing that right now. Hee. Feeling a little silly? That's the goal. The brain can't be stressed and laughing at the same time. Japanese scientists conducted an experiment. People who laughed for 10 minutes a day had lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood after a month. The fifth technique is cognitive distancing. It sounds clever, but the idea is simple. When you're stressed, ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? This doesn't mean discounting the problem. It literally means shifting your brain's perspective. Neuroscientists call this self-distancing, viewing the situation from a third-person perspective. For example, instead of, I'm so tired, think, it looks like that person is really tired. It sounds strange, but this technique reduces your emotional response in just a few seconds, because the third-person perspective activates the analytical part of the brain instead of the emotional one. So, here are 5 methods: muscle relaxation, thought journaling, cold water, forced laughter, and a change of perspective. None of them require money or a special place. Try one today, and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. If you're interested in the psychology of everyday life, subscribe, we'll explore it together. See you there.